Energy-efficient windows. Baytown are a crucial component for homeowners in Baytown, TX, looking to improve their home's energy performance. By investing in energy-efficient window installation. Baytown TX, residents can significantly reduce their energy bills and enhance indoor comfort. Baytown window specialists offer a range of energy-efficient window solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of each home. Window insulation is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment while reducing energy costs. Energy-efficient windows. Baytown services provide expert solutions to ensure that your windows are properly sealed and insulated. This not only improves energy efficiency but also enhances the overall performance of your windows. Double-glazed windows are an excellent choice for those seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Double-glazed window experts. Baytown offer professional installation services to ensure that your windows provide maximum insulation and energy savings. These windows are designed to reduce heat loss and improve thermal performance. Energy-efficient windows. Baytown are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency. These windows feature a special coating that reflects heat, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Baytown energy-efficient glass solutions provide a range of options to suit your specific needs. Window replacement is an effective way to improve your home's energy efficiency and overall appearance. Baytown window replacement specialists offer a variety of energy-saving windows that can help reduce your energy bills and improve indoor comfort. With a focus on quality and performance, these specialists ensure that your new windows meet the highest standards. Thermal windows are designed to provide superior insulation and energy efficiency. Thermal window installation. Baytown services offer expert solutions to help you achieve optimal energy performance. By choosing thermal windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable home environment and lower energy costs. Insulated glass units are an essential component of energy-efficient windows. Insulated glass units. Baytown TX provide excellent insulation and help reduce heat transfer, improving your home's energy efficiency. These units are available in a variety of styles and configurations to suit your specific needs. Energy-efficient windows. Baytown are a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Baytown window upgrade services offer a range of options to enhance the performance of your existing windows. From energy-efficient window sealing. Baytown to window retrofitting, these services ensure that your windows provide maximum energy savings. Window energy ratings are an important consideration when selecting new windows for your home. Window energy ratings. Baytown TX provide valuable information about the energy performance of different window options. By choosing windows with high energy ratings, you can ensure that your home remains comfortable and energy efficient.